The room is reserved. Its name appears on a small panel beside the door. 10 a.m. strategy alignment. Duration 60 minutes. On another screen, in another part of the building, the task list changes. Pending becomes assigned. A second line appears under the item. Owner confirmed. Priority locked. Execution route selected. Record timestamp. 9:58 scheduled start. 10:00 inside. 6 chairs are placed around a long table. A display is active. The input source is selected. A speaker light remains off. No document is open. The meeting has not started. The room display still shows upcoming. A minute later, a summary field is created. Topic: Resource allocation. Status: Updated version 3.4. No microphone is active. No camera feed opens. No shared screen begins. The calendar slot remains allocated. A row on the operations board changes color. A narrow label appears beside a ticket. Dependency cleared. Another panel refreshes. Review path closed. Escalation skipped. Distribution complete. The meeting title remains unchanged. The room remains prepared. A glass wall reflects the table, the chairs, the inactive screen, the cable arranged in a straight line across the surface. Near the door, the reservation light stays white. At 10:03, the agenda file is uploaded. At 10:04, 2 sections are already marked as resolved. At 10:05, the action register is exported. At 10:06, a notification appears on a vertical display outside the room. Update posted. No presentation has started. At the end of the corridor, a dashboard shows 3 columns. Open, in review, completed. One entry moves from the first column to the third without appearing in the second. The meeting remains on the schedule. A panel above the central table shows the room map for the floor. Green rectangles, 1 amber block. This room, occupied is not shown. Reserved remains. Elsewhere, another interface records alignment confirmed. Room screen status. No active session. A speakerphone sits in the center of the table. Its light ring is dark. A folded marker lies beside it. A glass of water has been placed near one seat. Nothing touches it. On the operation screen, the same item receives a new field. Decision source. System recommendation accepted. Recommendation ID SR-1148. The room clock moves 1 minute forward. The item disappears from the active queue. At 10:11, a transcript container is created. It contains no speech lines, only headers. Topic: Time. Reference ID output link. At 10:12, the link node is already finalized. Allocation updated. Sequence changed. Archive stored. The meeting invitation still exists. Its reminder appears on a small corner display. Starting soon. The room remains lit. The agenda remains attached. A wall display near the elevator shows daily room usage. Names of sessions, times, room numbers. This session remains listed between 2 others. A small status window on the workflow side adds another line. No further alignment required. The room stays reserved until 11 o'clock. At 10:17, a routing map redraws itself. One branch fades. Another thickens. At 10:18, the approval pane adds a seal. Closed. At 10:19, the room panel displays. Awaiting check-in. Inside the room, the screen dims, then brightens again, then returns to its default input screen. A cable hangs unmoved from the edge of the table. The chairs remain exactly spaced. The air vent continues above the ceiling. Booking timer, 0:41 remaining. At 10:26, the action log receives a final entry. Meeting reference retained. The entry below it reads, execution began before session start. At 10:34, the display outside the room changes. In progress. Inside, the table surface remains clear. At 10:41, the dashboard refreshes again. Output distributed. Archive synchronized. Exception count 0. The meeting title remains on the panel. The panel brightness lowers as daylight shifts across the corridor floor. At 10:58, the room status changes once more. Ending soon. The table is still clear. The speakerphone is still dark. The transcript file is already complete. At 11 o'clock, the reservation disappears. The room name returns. The workflow board shows no reopened item. The note remains stored. The route remains closed. The assignment remains attached. The room panel returns to default.